So we are back for another sound test, guys, and we now have the SeeAudio Yume and also the TRN BA15 as well. So the Yume is kind of your reference pair, and the BA15 is more of a fun all BA pair. So we are comparing it to the Starfields, Legacy 4, and the Starsea as well. So of course, in this price range, actually surprising how close the IEMs are to each other, more so compared to other price ranges. So it will be up to your preference here. Of course, if you want to get either of these, use my links down in the description below. That will help out the channel a lot. And of course, let me know what is your preference, guys, out of all these IEMs. Let me know down in the comments below. Let's start the sound test now.
Should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. Cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No. And I ain't never gonna stop.